video started, first of all, to answer the question, what does the fox say? We say whatever the hell we want.
Dog goes woof, cat goes
I
meow.
think this is the first music video to be filmed at a furry convention.
Cow goes moo, frog goes crow.
These are all extremely vague stereotypes.
Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow.
Unless the seal is underwater, in which case it also goes flop.
What does the fox say? What the fox say?
Okay, we definitely don't make any of those sounds. Okay, I've heard Knuckles make that sound once.
What the fox say? Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful.
Oh yeah, red fur is always gorgeous, but yellow fur, hideous.
But if you meet a friendly horse, will you communicate by How will you speak to that?
Did they literally just add this horse lyric so they could have something to rhyme with horse?
What does the fox say?
Okay, this is starting to look like a crackhead's interpretation of Teen Wolf. I say Teen Wolf because making fun of Twilight is so 2 years ago.
What the fox say?
Wow, it must have took them, 8 seconds to learn these dance moves?
What the fox say?
I'll admit it would be cool if all foxes had auto-tuned voices, but we prefer to actually learn how to sing.
The secret of the fox.
What secret?
Ancient mystery. Somewhere deep in the woods.
I'm not in the woods. I live in downtown Station Square. I'm not a freaking animal.
What is your sound? Will we ever know?
You know, if he just did a quick Google search, he'd learn that foxes actually have a variety of different sounds, like a high-pitched wail, a short yipping bark. I mean, I don't do that because I'm a fictitious character, but in real life...
Hiding in the
I think this music video just made me hate my own people.